Good morning, YouTube. This is Chrissy with Candles by Chrissy. So we're on our way to Texas. It is currently 10:21 this morning, and we are still in Indiana. And so we have 13 hours to go. But I just wanted to get on here to give y'all a little update. Sorry I have on my bonnet and all that other stuff. But and my little dot on my face, but y'all know I keep it real on here, and so I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. This is how we travel when we are doing vendor events and trying to, you know, get our products out there. And so I just wanted to give like a little short intro. I will see you guys when we reach another destination or when we get to Texas. Bye. What's up, YouTube? I am on my way to Texas. We got 4 hours in right now, and look at my face. I got this shit right here. Every time I go out of town, my face always breaks out or some weird ass shit. But anyway, so we are 4 hours away from Texas. I wanted to stop and show y'all the scenery and stuff like that once we get close. And the boys are pumping gas and stuff like that. And my bonnet is a little crooked. And yeah, I've been driving a long time. So I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know what was going on. And I'll hit y'all back when I get fully to Texas. I will show like us driving into Texas and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, YouTube. Guess where I'm at? Whataburger. Oh my god. So when we seen it, we were across the street getting gas and stuff, and I'm like, "Ooh, Whataburger is over there," and everybody talks about it so much. So we're here, me and my babies, eating our food. All right, I'll see y'all later after I get done eating.
Bye.
Bye. Hey YouTube, it's Candles by Chrissy. I wanted to show you that we're at Cane's, and the drive-thru is so fucking long. Like, we were in the middle, like the middle lane, the turning lane, and we had to sit there for a while before we got into the line. Like, it took forever. So I wanted to show you guys that we had a good day. The heat kind of wore me out, but overall we had a good day. We're about to eat Cane's and then get the rest of the candles done, and then I'll see you guys at the event tomorrow. Bye. Hey YouTube, this is Candles by Chrissy, and I am in Texas at a school event, back to school event rather, or out of school event. So here is my table, here is my tent. I didn't get it all the way pinned up. I'm so short that happened, so I'm gonna leave it like that. It's up far enough. Let me scoot back. It's up far enough where we still have shade and stuff like that. Here is different more companies, and then another company over here. So, and then different companies over here around the line. I'll take you guys around to see everybody eventually. It is 90 something degrees here, so I need to kind of sit down and take a break for a minute, and then I'll pop back on here. See you guys later. I look at the end of the event, y'all know what it is, quit playing. But yeah, pooped, about to go swimming because I want to hit the pool. And yeah, I had fun. like I said, we didn't sell out, but it was a nice crowd. I did get to network with some people. I met some awesome people. Shout out to Penny, Miss Penny, Penny's Penny company line, and she sells menstrual panties for women, and so really dope. Had her grandkids with her. I didn't even know that she was a grandma. Don't look like it at all. Kind of looked like she was in her 40s, you know what I mean? Like, so pretty cool to meet her. I met another young lady. I'll put all the names and stuff inside the description box. She has a foot care line. I met another lady that had necklaces, and the host of the event is a photographer, so I got to chat it up with her. And I'll leave all their information down in the description box. I really think it is so cool that you know, Texas is real big, and they throw a lot of different events, different vendor parties, and different ways to make money with a small business owner. So I mean, basically everywhere I was going, I seen some type of tent put up in the parks where I've been, driving down the street to get food. I've been seeing different places they pull up at the malls. I mean, in Indy, it's really not like that, and I wish it was. It's like basically, you know, on the corners, Sherman Drive, the inner cities and stuff like that. But we can't pull up at no Walmarts or nothing like that and kind of set up a table, and they can set up a table basically anywhere. So I thought that was pretty cool. I just got to meet a lot of different people. Plus, this was like a mini vacation as well. So, pretty cool to be able to come down here, spend time with the kids, sell product, get to meet different people, and look at my son in the back, and hang out. So I had a nice time. We sold a decent amount. And I'm thinking about going to another one later on today, because another young lady had told me about some more that's going on later on today. So that was pretty cool. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Well, I might as well just go ahead and close out this video. So this is the end of this video. I really don't want to show y'all all the little other personal things that I've been doing with the kids, just because it's mommy time and son time, you know, and I want to spend time with them. So I'm gonna close out this video, and this is the end of this trip. Candles by Chrissy did it again, and we had a very nice time in Texas. I want to thank everybody that supported me on my way down to this trip and on my way back, and just all the nice people that I got to meet. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.